English totally.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm from Maharashtra, Aurangabad. My name is Bhagyashree from Island.
Okay. So I'll try to present it in English itself as much as possible. But whenever there is something in Tamil, I'll translate it into English also so that you can also follow.
Sure, ma'am.
I am Dr. Shenbaga. Thank you for introducing me and thank you for giving me the opportunity to present whatever knowledge I have about health and disease and everything related to our immunity. So, all of you, I don't want it to be an in and out medicine related session. I want it to be something that will be useful to you in the future. So please have a pen and paper with you so that you can jot down the points or even your questions so that we can discuss those questions later on. So I am Dr. Shenbaga. First of all, we'll know what is immunity. Everyone talks about immunity nowadays, especially with the COVID first wave and the second wave. Enhancing immunity has become a major line of thinking for every individual. I think this is a good direction and this is the right direction for everyone to take into, because prevention is better than cure. Always we should aim at being more healthy and going in for healthier options rather than treating a disease after it comes to us. So our body has its own natural capacity to defend itself. So when we talk about immunity, it is not just the physical level that I want to talk about. So when we think about it, we as doctors always talk about the cell-mediated immunity and the physical structure of how the immune system works and all that. But when we go into the human body or the mind, it should always be a holistic approach. We can't take into account immunity as a single entity. So immunityன்றத நம்ம வந்து வெறும் physically just through our food or through exercising or through just taking care of this physical body, நம்ம உடம்புக்கு வந்து என்னெல்லாம் நம்ம பாதுகாப்பா செய்ய முடியுமோ அதை மட்டும் செய்யறதுனால we can't achieve immunity. So immunity is an interplay of the mind, body and the society. The whole system. Man is a social animal, so the society, how we deal with the society, how we interact with others, all that will play a major role in the immune function of an individual. So as we have already seen during the COVID lockdown, everyone was inside their house. So people did not have the opportunity to go outside, meet with others, and this caused a lot of depression within the individual. This caused a lot of anxiety and unknown fear. All this should be dealt with so that our immune levels are improved. And the body, of course, for the body we have lots of things that also we'll discuss. And the mind. So all these things play equal role. All these three things have to be taken into account equally. Nothing gains more importance, nothing gains less importance. So we'll see how we can go about dealing with all these three things. And it is not a very big task to do it. Just every day we can include it in our lifestyle. Okay. So as we all know, physical, we'll try to finish the physical thing first because lots of questions were through these lines. We know that we have to drink a lot of water and enough water that we all don't recognize, especially during this weather and especially if we are working under the air conditioned environment, we don't have the thirst itself. So நமக்கு ஒரு தாகம் இருக்கோ இல்லையோ ஓரளவு நம்ம வந்து தண்ணி அப்பப்போ I always ask my patients to have a glass of water or have a 1 liter water bottle near their desk so that they'll be remembered to take water frequently. The next thing is rest. We need enough rest that we will discuss later on. And fresh air. We all are devoid of fresh air, especially with the lockdown in place. We have not stepped out of our doors. But now it is time that we have to spend some time in the terrace or somewhere so that at least open our windows up and feel the fresh air. we'll discuss more about exercise and diet. The most important thing நிறைய இருக்குன்னு கேட்டா we can reply as vitamin இந்த கீரையில இருக்கு காய்கறியில இருக்குன்னு. But for vitamin D you can never mention any of that. You get it only via sunshine. So exposing yourself to the mild sunshine early in the morning or in the evening is very very essential for vitamin D. Immunity keep up பண்றதுக்கும் immune functioning normally இருக்கிறதுக்கும் vitamin D is highly essential. So we have to make sure we get into the sun now and then. Every day is better. And for the physical needs, we always talk about all these vegetables and fruits which are rich in each and everything. So for immunity, we need vitamin D, vitamin C, B complex, and lots of other things. Basically, if you try getting 3 fruits, especially seasonal fruits, if you eat it, you will get all that which is required. We also have lots of micronutrients that is essential for our daily living. For example, we need sulfur, we need zinc, we need iron, we need selenium, all this in very very low quantities, and we will not be able to judge each and everything. We can't go and pick things just for these micronutrients or just for protein, just for carbohydrate like that. It is important for us to have a holistic diet rich in fruits and vegetables. So every day try to eat at least 2 fruits and 2 vegetables so that your diet is balanced and you will get better go at improving your immunity. So I just wanted to give you a very few examples of some of the mistakes that we do. First main thing is we tend to peel all the vegetables, with us becoming more and more towards the healthy aspect and fear about passing on viruses and all that. We have started peeling the vegetables more and more. For example, carrots, potatoes, radish, every vegetable that we take, முள்ளங்கிய கூட பீல் பண்ணி தான் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க, புடலங்காய பீல் பண்றாங்க. So the peeling of the vegetables, the skin of the vegetables contains lots of nutrients that we lose, also fiber. So try not to peel the vegetables, but wash it very nicely with running water 2 or 3 times. Even soak it for a while so that all the dirt goes off. Try not to peel and use, which will devoid you of so many nutrients. I would like to ask one question here. Does anyone know what is poor man's meat? Can you type in the chat box? Okay, the poor man's meat is not able to look at the chat. We call the poor man's meat is the sprouts or the pulses that we eat. So நம்ம சாப்பிடுற எல்லா பல்சஸும் ஸ்ப்ரவுட்ஸும் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். Even if we are not able to take meat or people who are vegetarians, take sprouts every day, which contains folic acid. Folic acid is not available in most of the food that we eat, and lots of B complex, B1, B6, B12, all that is essential for the brain growth. The neuronal formation in the brain needs folic acid. So you try to take sprouts, sprouted beans, which will help you in improving your immunity. And the next thing I want to talk about is walnuts. Walnut also has with it the essential fatty acids. When we always talk about fat, we have the good fat and the bad fat, which you all might be knowing. Good fat, you need it in your daily life so that you can build your muscles and you can build your system with it. So the essential fatty acids, certain essential fatty acids are not available in any other sources, but it is available in walnuts. And try to avoid all these coloring agents, flavoring agents and preservatives which reduce your immune system by causing damage to your gastrointestinal tract. So when it goes into the stomach, வயிற்றுக்குள்ள போன உடனேயே இது எல்லாமே வந்து ப்ராப்ளம் காஸ் பண்ணும். ஸோ நீங்க சாப்பிட்ற ஹெல்த்தி ஃபுட்டையும் இந்த ஃபுட்டு உள்ள போறதுனால நமக்கு ப்ராப்பரா டைஜஸ்ட் ஆகாம இருக்கும். ஸோ இன்டைஜஷன் இஸ் காஸ்ட் பை ஹேபிட் to have everyday chocolates is bad, but chocolates once in a while, once a week giving it to your kids, that is not wrong. So try to reduce the amount that you have and try to cook it at home. You can bake, so that which will also become an activity at home, and you can try to make these french fries by yourself, which will also give you the true thing, but without all these additives in it. ஸோ வீட்லயே செஞ்சு சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ தட் இந்த கலரிங் ஏஜென்ட்லாம் நம்ம எப்படியும் ஆட் பண்ண மாட்டோம்.